Body repairs, one of the most costly yet most effective ways to maintain your vehicle. Why should you do it and how should you do it? Today we have leisure unlabeled. We call him Logi, one of our body technicians here with us, who's going to walk us through a few tips and reasons as to why you should have it done and how we could go about doing it.
Why not have your vehicle in good condition? You know, your vehicle, it takes care of you, you know, takes you from point A to point B. You know what you want to make sure, other than it driving well, it looks good, you know. Paint-wise, to prevent rust, you have to keep the paint fresh. Fresh meaning, normally, wear and tear, you know, your vehicle starts to deoxidize with the paint fades and then sometimes that leads to rust. So after you have it painted, freshly painted, you know, it prevents that from happening. The sun, for one, damages your paint and your vehicle. So, just let's say you wanna resell your vehicle. You know, you want it to look like how it came from the factory. You know, you get it resprayed. The higher quality in looks, the more you get it silver.
What about paint maintenance? Any tips and tricks? I mean, most people know you could wash it, but is there anything else beyond that? I know some people, when they get those little scratches and so on, they get a little worried about that. Is there anything they could do to help with it?
Well, other than washing, as you say, buffing. Buffing is one. The buffing takes out the scratches as long as they're not too deep. Waxing is recommended to keep your paint long lasting.
Yeah, we do have some wax products in stock as well. Thanks, Lejean, for having this conversation with us, sharing the tips with the customers and so on, so that they have an idea of what they can do to keep your vehicle looking prime in the event that they want to resell it. And of course, just for the fact that you've invested so much, to make sure that your investment stays well so that you have something to look at for a very long time. So thanks for being with us, thanks for viewing, and we'll see you next time.